Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be doing a review of the Hostpapa web hosting service. And there's also going to be up to a 70% coupon to Hostpapa, as you can see right here, specifically through this link right up top here. I'm going to highlight it. It's also going to be in the video description box and in the upper right hand corner of the video itself. If you like this review, want to check out Hostpapa for yourself and get started with your own blog or website, do so through this link and you'll get up to 70% off. So with that being said, let's dive into this review here. Are all web hosts created equal? That's a trick question because yeah, they all do the same thing. They're all going to host your website or blog, and that's what you want. But some have more downtime than others. Some web hosts have their customer service is not as good or lacking from where it used to be. Not going to name no names. And some just don't have the features that you're looking for, for a comparable price. Like say one web host is going to offer a package, the other one's a different web host is going to offer the same package. They'll be the same price, but one web host is going to offer a lot more features, obviously, for the same price as their competitors. So you're going to want to look out for that. Also, another thing you want to look out for is cPanel. If you're starting a WordPress blog, I love cPanel. Some of the major web hosts have cPanel. It's real popular, but some do not carry it. Like GoDaddy does not carry cPanel, which is one thing I do not like about them. They're awesome for domains, but I don't like that, I can't see my stats. You got to set up Google Analytics and all that stuff's kind of a pain, and it can be a pain for somebody that's just starting out building their own website or blog. So cPanel, what you can do with that, I've been using cPanel for over 10 years. You're going to see all your stats. All the traffic is coming from the search engines. You're going to see from Google, Bing. You're going to see what keywords customers are typing into the search engines to find your business, your blog, your website. You're going to see those sites that are linking to yours. And you're going to see everything basically on there, and it's a real easy to use interface that's going to tell you very helpful analytics of where all your traffic's coming from, what's working and what's not working. And like I said, cPanel is very easy to use, very easy to understand, and it's an awesome asset. So I would not pick a web host that doesn't have cPanel. Hostpapa has cPanel, which is a really good thing about them. They're one of the web hosts that do carry cPanel, so I do like that very much about them. Another thing I like if you're just starting out and you never put together your own website or blog and you want to get a WordPress website together, a self-hosted one obviously, they have one-click WordPress install, so it makes it super easy for even the if you never did this before, for a complete beginner to get set up and running. And they also got their support. I'm going to dive into this in a second here. Their support is second to none. They're based out of Toronto, Canada, a major city in Canada, probably the most popular city in the whole country. And so it's a first tier country. It's not some third world country that would be hosting your websites. You don't got to worry about that. And their support, whenever I have ran into any problems with anything, they're right on it. They're a smaller team over there, and they take really great pride in their customer service. So that's nice to see with a web host, especially somebody that's carrying your main asset, which is your money maker. If you're starting an online business, is going to be your website. So their customer service is awesome. You can check out other reviews online. They'll say the same thing. Other things to consider about them: free setup and domain name. You get no hidden setup fees and a free domain name for your first year of hosting to get you started. That's like a $15 value, which is nice. The plan's got to be 12 months or longer, so you got to pay up front, and then you get that free domain name. WordPress ready hosting. Install over 400 plus apps for free with one click, including WordPress, Joomla, and other essential small business tools. A control panel anyone can use. That's what I was telling you about. It's about cPanel. Awesome feature, and you'll love cPanel. That'll be probably the best thing you'll like about hosting your blog or website with Hostpapa. Now, if you get the Business Pro plan, which isn't much more, which I would recommend for everybody, it's actually, like I said, 70% off through this link up here. And I told you where to find that. And it's actually the same price. Flash sale business. Ideal for small business owners. Regular price $12.99 a month. You're saving 70% off. It's $3.95 a month. They're basically giving this away. You're getting unlimited websites, free domain name, unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, and you're getting all these awesome features here. You're getting stay protected from hackers, inspire confidence with a trust seal from SiteLock and automatically scan your website daily for potential malware and threats from hackers. Keeps your information safe from hackers and identity thieves with a premium wildcard SSL certificate and domain privacy protection. Avoid a potential disaster. This is a really good feature here. You're going to restore. It can restore previous versions of your website with our automated backup and restore service in case of mistakes or unforeseen events. You always want to have a backup of your website, and they'll take care of that for you. So if something were to happen, they got you covered. Almost 100% uptime guarantee. So you can always be rest assured that your site will be up and running and out there, to the masses, bringing you customers and hopefully a lot of sales. Rocket fast servers. You're going to get a 3% performance boost thanks to Hostpapa's low density premium servers. Your website's loading time will scream past your competition, and that's awesome because Google's ranking factors, one of their major ranking factors nowadays, is the speed of your website. And since they're basically blowing away the other web hosts out there in terms of speed, you're going to get that little extra ranking factor in the search engines, which will bring you a little extra traffic. Obviously, once you build your blog up a little bit, so that's going to be in your favor. Your site's going to load like super quick. And you can see all the features here. I'll let you check that out yourself when you go to that link. You're going to get a free domain transfer if you're using another web host. You want to transfer your website over to Hostpapa. They make it easy for you. There's a button there you can use. You can transfer it over for free and set up your website on Hostpapa's powerful servers. And you can free website migration. Thought of migrating your website from one host to another can be daunting, but we'll help you every step of the way to ensure your website stays online and available. Find the template that fits your business. Hundreds of professionally designed templates. Use a simple drag and drop website builder to add, copy, and customize and get your new website online today. This is an awesome feature because you're going to be paying for a lot of premium templates, and they can cost, I bought plenty of them. I've been doing internet marketing for like 12 years now. And a nice premium template will run you about $50 to $70. So they got a bunch of them in here, hundreds of them. Professionally designed templates. That's going to save you a lot of money just by using what they have right there. And then let them take care of you. They got, including our exclusive 30-minute one-on-one coaching to get you started right away. Self-help tutorials and guides, one-on-one training sessions, award-winning customer support. Like I told you about, their customer support is second to none. It's really good. And then they got some awards here. Customer scoring, 9.1 out of 10, superb. Seeing them featured in all these different major, websites and media outlets. Okay, so that's it. Obviously, I like Hostpapa. I think it's an awesome company. It's an awesome web host. It's got everything you're going to be looking for. You're going to save 70% off on that link I told you about there. Inside the video, in the video description box, you can get the high-end business plan with all the features I just discussed for 70% off, and you're only paying under $4 a month. I mean, that's a steal. I've paid as much as $20 a month for my website. So I mean, that's crazy low price, so I take advantage of it. Another thing I want to leave you with here is, if you do decide you want to check out Hostpapa You have any more questions that I didn't cover in this video? There's a chat box right here in the lower right hand corner. Once you go to the site here, you can send them a message. Whatever question you might have, send them a message, and they'll be glad to help you as far as that goes and get you started. I'm going to be doing a one-time special offer on this. If you're watching this video, here's the deal. I've been internet marketing, like I said, for 12 years, and I know WordPress pretty much inside and out. If you do run into any problems installing WordPress, I'm going to help you out. All you got to do is place your order through the video, like I told you how to do. And I want you to contact me when you place your order through Hostpapa. Contact me through Facebook Messenger, and let me know that you set up, you ordered Hostpapa and you need help with, whatever it may be, and you want me to help you out or point you in the right direction, give you some guidance. I'm going to tell you all the plugins I have installed on my site that you can use for your site. You're probably not going to want to install all the ones I have, but you're going to want to install some of them, and I can let you know which ones I'm using to get you started. And if you're having any trouble setting up WordPress, you run into any problems, you have any questions whatsoever, I'll even log into your account if you wanted me to, and giving you your, you got to give me your password and all that stuff. You can always change it afterwards, after I did the work that needed to be done. But you shouldn't run into any problems installing it. It's pretty straightforward. But if you did, I'd even help you out with that. And I will answer any questions that you may have related to setting up your Hostpapa website. So take advantage of that. You can contact me by Messenger. That's going to be the second link in the video, underneath this video, in the video description box. So click on that Facebook Messenger link. Send me a message on Facebook Messenger, let me know, like I said, that you want to know more about you want to know more about installing your WordPress website, or you want to know about plugins, or you need help from me to do something, or any question you might have, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So I hope you enjoyed my review. Hostpapa is a great web hosting company and service. And like I said, 70% off. You can't beat this price. You're not going to find a better price on the internet than this one right here, and that business plan. They're basically giving away for $4 a month, and you get a crazy ton of features plus a free domain name. So take advantage of it. That's that. Hope you enjoyed my review. Click the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.